Hi everyone, I'm Tim Bishop, a fashion, commercial and portrait photographer based in South Wales. Today we're going to be doing a 60s inspired beauty shoot and we're going to be using 3 Neewer AD400Pros to light it up. We'll also be using a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 135mm f2 lens. Let's see what we get up to.
Well, I'm wasted with someone else. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better.
We're just about ready to shoot. Olivia, our model, she's just had her hair and makeup done by the talented Alison Peacock. So we're going to set up now. Alison's doing some finishing touches. I'll just go over the lighting. So we've got 3 Neewer AD400Pros lighting. We've got a beauty dish for the key light. We've got a octobox for the hair light in the back, and then just a little bit of fill on this octobox over here. So I'm going to put each light on individually to see how they come up, and we'll see how we go from there. Let's do our first test shot.
To get away from your parents, you look so proud.
It's looking good, but it's a little bit washed out. So I'm going to try and put the light down just a little bit.
Out on the terrace, we breathe in the air of this small town.
I love these behind the scenes shots.
With the thrill of it, getting drunk.
Actually, I'm going to take away the fill light and I'm going to put in some negative fill. So this is using a black V-flat, basically to create more shadow in the side, in the left side. Add more dynamic shadow to it. At this stage, I'm really happy with how it's going. So we've just finished the first look with Olivia and it's looked really, really great. For this next part of the shoot, we're going to put Olivia into a green outfit, which is going to match the green background as well. So we can go for an analogous color palette. So hopefully it'll look very, very nice. We'll do it that way.
Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris.
Beautiful. I'm so happy with that. That's got a real kind of Hollywood vibe to it. 1960s Hollywood vibe to it. Okay. So I'm going to try something new with the lighting. I'm going to kind of change it to not using the soft boxes for the lighting. I'm going to use standard reflectors, but using a gel on them, just to complement the kind of like purples that are already in the shot at the moment. I might even try some smoke. So yeah, we shall see, we shall see. So come on in.
Get away from your parents, you look so proud.
So I'm really happy with how the shoot's been going. Olivia's been fantastic, the lights have been amazing. So easy to move around and control straight from the camera. One of the things I'm so happy about with the Neewer AD400Pros is how much 100 watts of power doesn't matter. The lights I was using before now were 500 watt seconds, and I thought I'd really have to push the power up, but I'm pretty much using the same settings. They've been so good, especially on battery power. Now we're moving on to the second makeup look. We're going to be using blue in the colors. So I've changed the background colors of the gels to blue and orange. And they're complementary colors, the colors that are most often used in cinema. So I'm going to be really interested to see how this turns out. Let's have a look.
Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris.
We got a half length there. We can go for another one. That's looking good. We can keep the hands down for this. It's just going to be straight looks. Right. Okay. I think we're ready to do the smoke. Let's see how it goes. Right. Fingers crossed, everybody. Where's my fluffer? We've got quite a lot of room in this warehouse, and I'm going to open the doors straight after the smoke, make sure it's all safe.
To get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace.
Right, everybody hold their breath.
Well, I'm wasted with someone else. If we go down, when we go down together, they'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, when we go down together, we'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
Okay, fluff harder, Kev. We are overloaded with smoke. It is too much. Hang on.
Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris.
All right.
Do you know what you want? Looking for yourself in a bottle of red. Giving you all I got. I just wanna know what.
Keep that pose again, and then fluff me, Kev.
Pretending that you don't smoke.
I'll do. Come and have a look, Olivia. Hold on.
Sick.
This is pretty cool when the smoke was just starting. There's without smoke, and there is with smoke. So what I can do is I might be able to actually take this image and put it with this one and kind of like just do it. So, but I'm really, really happy. We've got some fantastic, amazing shots.
'Cause I know you wanna steal my eye. Got me feeling alone. I just wanna stay on.
That's cool. I'm really happy. I'm good, guys. We call that a wrap? Yeah, it's a wrap. Woo! Hey, thank you very much, everybody.
And I never wanted to know